First, understanding workplace conflicts. Definition: workplace conflict refers to disagreements or tensions between employees, employers, or groups that can disrupt organizational operations and industrial harmony. Types of conflicts: interpersonal conflicts between individual employees, intergroup conflicts between teams or departments, employee-employer conflicts relating to wages, working conditions, or policies, union management conflicts related to collective bargaining outcomes, causes, miscommunication or misunderstanding, divergent goals and expectations, inequitable treatment or perceived unfairness, organizational change or restructuring. Key insight: recognizing the type and cause of conflict is critical to selecting appropriate resolution strategies. 2. Importance of conflict management in labor. Relations maintains industrial peace and organizational stability, enhances employee morale and productivity, reduces turnover, absenteeism, and industrial actions, promotes trust and collaboration between management and unions. Key insight: proactive conflict management is a strategic necessity for sustainable labor relations and effective collective bargaining. Third, dispute resolution mechanisms, grievance handling procedures, structured internal processes to address employee complaints. Steps include filing a grievance, investigation, discussion, and resolution. Mediation. Neutral third-party facilitator assists in reaching a voluntary agreement. Focuses on communication, understanding, and mutual problem-solving. Conciliation. Conciliator provides recommendations and facilitates compromise. Often involves formal or government-supported procedures. Arbitration. Binding decision issued by an independent arbitrator. Enforceable under law, often used when mediation fails. Litigation and labor courts. Formal legal proceedings for unresolved disputes. Ensures legal compliance and protection of rights. Key insight: choosing the right dispute. Resolution mechanism depends on the nature, complexity, and legal context of the conflict. 4. Role of stakeholders in conflict management. Ensure fair policies, respond promptly to grievances, and engage in good faith negotiations. Unions represent employees, advocate for equitable solutions, and participate in mediation and arbitration. Government agencies provide frameworks, labor courts, and regulatory oversight. Employees engage constructively, communicate issues clearly, and follow procedural channels. Key insight: effective conflict resolution is collaborative, structured, and legally compliant, balancing the interests of all parties. 5. Strategies for preventing and managing conflicts. Proactive communication, regular dialogue between management and employees, unions, training and awareness, equip managers and union leaders with conflict resolution skills, negotiation and compromise, focus on interest-based solutions rather than positional disputes, monitoring and feedback, identify emerging tensions early and address them promptly, policy and procedure development, clear grievance, disciplinary, and collective bargaining policies. Key insight: preventive strategies reduce the frequency and severity of disputes, supporting long-term industrial harmony. 6th, modern challenges in conflict management. Globalized workforces and cross-cultural conflicts. Technology-driven changes and automation disputes. Remote work and virtual team dynamics. Legal and regulatory updates requiring adaptive dispute resolution mechanisms. Key insight: modern conflict management requires strategic agility, cross-cultural competence, and knowledge of contemporary labor laws.